Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity and discussing the essential AI skills that every professional in this field needs to have. As technology continues to advance, so do the threats to our online security. This is where artificial intelligence comes in. It's a powerful tool that can help us stay one step ahead of cyber attacks. But to fully utilize AI in the realm of cybersecurity, there are a few key skills that professionals need to possess. First and foremost, understanding machine learning is crucial. This is the process by which AI systems can learn and improve from data without being explicitly programmed. In cybersecurity, machine learning can help identify patterns and anomalies in network traffic, allowing for faster and more accurate threat detection. So, if you want to be a top-notch cybersecurity professional, make sure you have a solid understanding of machine learning. Next, data analysis is another essential skill for working with AI in cybersecurity. With the massive amounts of data being generated every day, it's important to be able to effectively analyze and interpret it. This is where AI comes in. It can quickly sift through large datasets and identify potential threats, saving professionals valuable time and resources. So if you want to excel in the cybersecurity field, honing your data analysis skills is a must. Lastly, knowledge of programming languages such as Python and R is crucial for AI-driven cybersecurity. These languages are commonly used for building and implementing machine learning algorithms. As AI becomes more prevalent in the field of cybersecurity, having a strong foundation in programming languages will give you a competitive edge. Now, you may be wondering, why is it so important for cybersecurity professionals to have these AI skills? Well, the answer is simple: to stay ahead of cybercriminals. Hackers are constantly evolving and finding new ways to breach security systems, which means cybersecurity professionals must also be constantly learning and adapting. By equipping yourself with essential AI skills, you'll be better equipped to protect against the ever-growing threat of cyber attacks. This clip was brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. If you're interested in expanding your knowledge and skills in the world of tech, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.